You're going to learn the 5 letters sa, shi, su, se, so in this lesson. The letter's consonant is S sound, so you add the 5 vowels a, I, u, e, o after S. So from the top to the bottom, it's gonna be sa, shi, su, se, so. So one thing I want to let you know is the second letter, shi. We don't have C sound, so it's gonna be shi instead. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Let's practice together. It's sa. 1, 2, 3. Sa, sa. You might see the typing letter like this, but this is also sa. So the next one is shi. 1. That's it. Shi. Shi. Next one is su. 1. Then 2. Su. Su. Next one is se. 1, 2, and 3. Se. Se. Last one is so. 1, like that. So. So. Might see the letter like this too. This is also so. Okay, let's review. What is this? Su. What is this? So. What is this? Sa. What is this? Shi. What is this? Se. So you learn the 5 letters sa, shi, su, se, so in this lesson. So next will be za, ji, zu, ze, zo. See you in the next lesson.